Nikki G and I'm here for Miracles Kitchen. So for today guys, our recipe is Hardinera, or in Marikina, it is called as everlasting. Bakit everlasting? Kasi matagal siyang masira. As in, kasi maraming process yung pagluluto nito. So tumatagal siya for about 2 weeks na nasa ref. Sa Marikina kasi ako lumaki. So if tubong Marikina ka, alam mo tong recipe na to. Dapat. For the longest time, ngayon ko lang ulit siya niluto. Kasi sobrang hirap niyang iluto and madami kasing process, nakakapagod and nakakaubos ng lakas. Kaya lang yung spoiled friend ko, ni-request niya tong recipe na to. Talagang gusto niya akong pahirapan. So, Carla Luis, hello. Salamat sa pagpapahirap mo ha. So, ito yung request niya na recipe. Actually, dati niya pa nire-request tong recipe na to. So, I hope gawin niya ni tita. Before, I used to sell it sa Marikina. Nandun pa kami nagre-reside through online, sa mga office mates, sa mga friends. And okay naman yung feedback nila. As of now, wala pa ulit akong balak mag-sell. Kasi baka hindi ko kayanin na. Pero let's see kung may extra time. So come on guys, let's start pahirapan cooking. For the ingredients, we'll be needing onion, garlic, bell pepper, carrots, potatoes, spam or any luncheon meat, cheese, 1 kilo of ground pork, tomato sauce, pineapple tidbits, pickles, raisins, celery. For the process, let's heat the pan and put cooking oil. I use bigger pan for excellent ingredients mixing. Now, let's put the onions. Add the garlic. Saute the potatoes. Add the carrots. We will now add the ground pork. Just mix it with the potatoes and carrots. Put salt to taste. Add pepper and mix it well. Add seasoning. The secret of this recipe is mixing it well. Put the mixture on the side and remove the excess oils. And then add the spam or the luncheon meat. Just fry it until it's cooked. Now we add the other ingredients, the pineapples, add the pickles, the raisins, and mix it until the ingredients is equally combined. Add 1 cup of flour, mix it well, then add the tomato sauce, put 1 cup of water, I just added the cheese, bell pepper, and the parsley. It should look like this. Let's just cool it down. When it's cooled down, we can now add the eggs. We just mix it thoroughly. Now, I'm boiling eggs for the toppings. You can choose whether you like toppings or not. We will now add 3 eggs again. And again, mix it well. Now, I will slice the egg for the toppings. Place the egg first into the lanera and then put the mixture. You can choose whether you boil or bake, but for me, I'm gonna bake it, so I'll put foil on the top. Same procedure in boiling. You will also put aluminum foil. In an aluminum pan, put water at least half of the height and place the laneras. Set up the oven in 100 degrees Celsius. After preheating the oven for 5 minutes, we can now put the aluminum pan. Bake it for about 40 minutes. And now it's done! You can transfer it into a container. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!